If you work on modern Volkswagen Group vehicles, you've probably already felt this pain. You connect your diagnostic tool, you're ready to do a key learning or security function, and suddenly the car just says no. No access, no adaptation, no progress. That invisible wall you're hitting is called the SFD Gateway, and on newer MQB platforms, it's one of the biggest roadblocks technicians face today. Now here's the real question you should be asking yourself. Can you unlock VAG MQB49 5C and 5D SFD gateways using Xhorse tools? And if yes, how exactly do you do it the right way without wasting time or risking the vehicle? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, practical answer. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, your go-to place for real-world automobile diagnostics, programming tools, and hands-on workshop knowledge. If you work on European cars, or you're planning to, you're in the right place. And before we go any further, if you enjoy learning things that actually help you in the workshop, make sure you're subscribed and give this video a like. It really helps Baabji Motors reach more technicians like you who want proper information, not guesswork. Quick and important disclaimer before we continue. This video is created purely for educational and informational purposes. It's intended to help technicians, learners, and automotive enthusiasts understand modern vehicle systems better. Any visuals, names, or references are used under fair use for education and review. All trademarks belong to their respective owners, and you should always follow manufacturer guidelines and local laws when working on customer vehicles. Also, if you're curious about the exact tools I'm using or talking about in this video, you'll find them linked in the description. Those are affiliate links, which means if you choose to purchase through them, it supports Baabji Motors at no extra cost to you. Now let's get into the real topic. Xhorse recently added an important update for VAG MQB49 platforms, specifically the 5C and 5D systems. This update allows key learning functions by reading original key data, which is extremely useful for newer vehicles. However, for most 2023 and newer VAG models, there's a catch. Before you can learn a key or perform certain security-related functions, you must unlock the SFD or SFD2 gateway. SFD stands for Schutz Fahrzeug Diagnose, which is basically Volkswagen Group's security firewall for diagnostics and coding. On MQB49 vehicles, this system blocks unauthorized changes unless proper authentication is completed. That's why even high-end third-party tools often fail without SFD unlocking. So how do you unlock the VAG MQB49 5C or 5D SFD gateway using Xhorse? Xhorse tools like the VVDI Key Tool Plus and the VVDI Key Tool MIDI support obtaining the SFD seed directly from the vehicle through the OBD port. This is the first and most critical step. The tool communicates with the car and reads the unique SFDC data required for unlocking. Once you connect the tool to the vehicle and enter the MQB49 system menu, you'll navigate to the 5C system functions and select Unlock SFD. As soon as you open this function, the tablet will display a QR code on the screen. You then scan this QR code using your mobile phone. When scanned, it opens a web page that contains the vehicle's SFDC data. This data alone does not unlock the gateway. It must be calculated externally. At this stage, you send the seed data to a third-party service that supports VAG SFD calculations. Many technicians use well-known providers such as MQB specialists, independent VAG security services, or professional login calculation platforms. Once they process the seed, they send you back the calculated unlock result. You then return to your Xhorse tablet, paste or upload the calculation result into the input field provided, and confirm the operation. If everything is correct, the tool will display an unlock success message. Once the SFD gateway is successfully unlocked, you get a working window of 90 minutes. During this time, you can perform supported functions such as key learning, adaptations, coding, or other related security operations without being blocked by the gateway. After the 90-minute window expires, the gateway automatically locks again, and the process must be repeated if further work is required. This approach makes Xhorse tools extremely practical for workshops that regularly deal with newer Volkswagen, Audi, Skoda, and Seat vehicles on the MQB49 platform. It bridges the gap between factory-level security and independent workshop capability. And yes, this is one of those moments where modern car security feels like it was designed by someone who really did not want technicians to have an easy day. So let's come back to the question I asked at the beginning. Can you unlock the VAG MQB49 5C and 5D SFD gateway using Xhorse? The answer is yes, you can. But it's important to understand that Xhorse provides the method to obtain the seed and apply the calculation, while the actual unlock code comes from a third-party calculation service. When used correctly, it's a safe, effective, and workshop-friendly solution. Personally, I think this is a smart move from Xhorse. They're not trying to bypass security recklessly. Instead, they're giving technicians a structured way to work within the modern VAG security ecosystem while still getting real jobs done. Here's a useful insight many people don't realize. Even after unlocking SFD, not every function is automatically available on every vehicle. What you can do still depends on specific control unit, software version, and vehicle configuration. So always check supported functions before promising anything to a customer. Now I want to hear from you. Have you already worked on MQB49 vehicles with SFD protection? Or is this your first time dealing with it? Drop your experience, questions, or challenges in the comments below. Your input helps other technicians learn faster. If this video helped you understand SFD unlocking with Xhorse, please hit the like button. Let's push this one to 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments. When you like, comment, share, and subscribe, you're not just supporting a video. You're helping Baabji Motors grow, reach more technicians worldwide, and move closer to becoming the #1 practical diagnostics channel for real workshops. Don't forget to check the description for the tools used in this video through my affiliate links. And if you really believe in the work we do here, consider joining the channel membership. It's one of the best ways to support deeper, more advanced content in the future. Thanks a lot for watching till the end. Keep learning, keep upgrading your skills, and as always, happy diagnosing.